Hey, welcome to the channel, More Dirt, More Distance. I've installed a half roof rack on the Gladiator, but have been looking for an affordable rooftop gearbox. After searching, I decided to use the Plano all-weather tactical case because it's inexpensive and low profile. My roof rack is 54 inches wide, but I went with the 42-inch case because I want extra room for other items in the future. The Plano case is waterproof, dustproof, and lockable, all features I want in a gearbox. The exterior dimensions are 44.4 by 16.8 by 6.4 inches. The interior dimensions are 43 by 14 by 5 inches. There is plug-to-fit foam in the bottom that can be removed. On the top, the foam is glued in place, but can also be removed easily. I'm going to leave the foam on the top. This case isn't designed to be a rooftop gearbox. It is a DIY solution. There are videos where people reinforce the box with braces and brackets, but I'm going to try the easy way and just see how it goes. The plastic is pretty thin, but on the plus side, the case is lightweight. I'm trying to keep the weight on the roof as low as possible. If you flip the case over, there are two ridges on the outside that are 9 3/4 inches apart, the perfect size to fit between the rack mounting bars. Since I'm not using this as a carrying case, I decided to remove the handle. I used a pry tool to pull out the handle retainer pins. I'm mounting the case on the back of the rack. I adjusted the bars so they are as far apart as possible and measured 9 3/4 inches. The center of the mounting slot is 1/2 inch. I measured 1 inch down and 1/2 inch over from the edge of the ridge and drilled a 1/4 inch hole into the 4 corners of the case. If this video has been helpful, like and subscribe so you don't miss my next install. I measured the distance between the holes to help determine where to place the T-slot nuts. My roof rack came with 4 T-slot nuts, so I decided to use them, but I would recommend just buying some T-slot bolts. I also used a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch bolt and washer. Check your roof rack before buying the hardware. I've seen videos where people were able to slide a regular hex bolt into the rack. Mine requires a 1/4 inch T-slot bolt though. I placed the T-slot nut in the right spot and made sure the hex bolt fit correctly. Lining up the hole in the case with the nut and making sure the bolt was secure was a little tricky. That's why I recommend using a T-slot bolt. It would have made the whole process even easier. The case is nice and secure, there's no movement at all, it feels good. Now it's time to load it up and see how much I can get in here. I was able to get quite a few things in here. A tool set, kinetic rope, tow strap, tree saver, soft shackle, winch controller, winch line cover, and could fit in a few more smaller items. I'm going to move a few things around, but this gives you a good idea of how much stuff you can fit in the case. I've had it on the roof for a couple of weeks now, and nothing is moved. It still is on there tight and there's no signs of the plastic cracking. So far it's worked out well.